Good morning, YouTube. Fix your eyebrow. Well, I've gotten only several dozen requests, so you can now purchase a Bear Independent t-shirt from teespring.com/Bear Independent. I'll put a link here. I'll put a thing here. I might even put a little thing up here. Actually, I think they end up over here. I don't know. You can also, completely unrelated, but you can also buy this shirt right now, I think for 2 or 3 more days at bonfire.com. Just look for Viking Preparedness and the Coomp shirt, or Cohamp, or however he says it. We call it Coomp around here because the cows can say it. But you can get yourself a Bear Independent shirt, t-shirt, long sleeve, hoodie, or coffee mug in fashionable black or white, either one, at teespring.com/Bear Independent. And I'll put in a little footage after this so you can see some of what the website looks like. Listen, it's a 7-day campaign, and I'm doing this. You're going to have to act pretty quick if you want these for the holiday season. If Xmas is your jam, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to move fairly quickly to get them. I don't control their printing or their shipping or anything like that. I control very little of it, actually. Basically, the design. That's it. But they are there for your perusal and purchasing pleasure. Feel free to check them out. As always, we love you guys, and we thank you guys very much for supporting our family and what we do here and allowing us to bless other people. Right now, our charity of choice, we talk about this a little bit at Patreon, is a phenomenal group of door kickers who literally go into residences and hotels and the whole nine and rescue children in Southeast Asia that are involved in the sex trade there. My most recent report that I heard was one of the girls they got out was 8 years old, and she was being booked up to 18 appointments per day. So if they go through the door and there just happens to be a scumbag standing there, they make sure that maybe he's not standing when they leave. And they rescue these people and they rehabilitate them and they give them the word of the Most High, and they help fix them and put their lives back together. And a big part of what we do here is fun things like that. So you help us do that by doing this. So, shalom.